Hey guys, we're getting closer to the season. I wanted to kind of go through some of the changes we have done through the scoring and positions and things of that, so you're aware going into your draft, studying and things of that nature. A few small changes just to make some of the players and slash positions a little bit more valuable. With tight ends, we added a first down catch, which will be worth 1.5 points if they catch a pass resulting in a first down. And their receptions, instead of just being worth 1 point like everybody else, it's worth 1.5. Their yardage, everything else stays the same. But those two little instances should help some of those tight ends be a little bit more worthwhile and make the spread a little bit more valuable. So if you have a higher end one, it's better than having a lower end one. So it makes them worth it in trades and drafting and things of that nature. One change we did with the quarterbacks currently is that I added a -1 point for a QB sack. If the QB gets sacked, they lose a point. These are, like I said, these are all things I'm going to put on the website to verify that you guys are good with. Please message back. I'm going to send this out via text to everybody, so hopefully you guys are able to watch it. And then the big change that we're doing into this year is we got rid of a D tackle position and added a linebacker slash D lineman. So it can be a D tackle, D lineman, D end, any of the linebackers. And it's basically an edge rush kind of position where you're going to get a lot more value for um, sacks, QB hurries, tackles for loss, any of those things that add up. That to like you also get yards for sack. So take a look at that on there. It seems like it'll work out pretty well as far as edge rushers, making guys that, as a linebacker, for instance, maybe Von Miller isn't very valuable week to week, but now he'll be a little bit more consistent and a real asset. So it kind of puts into play those 3-4 teams with the outside linebackers, or if you have a really stud defensive end, that person will be a player that you can play in that position as well and be a little bit more flexible with your week to week lineups. So hopefully you guys like that. Let me know what you think. Like I said, go to the website and you can go to other and look at the rules. And that way you can kind of get a feel for how the scoring is, or go through some of the players and see how they're scoring, and a guy on your team, how that would end up, affecting them by putting them in different positions and things like that. Go to the player search line and look up their score from last year. It'll adjust based on what position you're looking at. So let me know what you guys think. I'll put a poll up there to see what everybody's thinking on that. And feel free to add some messages to the board and say whatever changes you think are valuable to change. We'll take a vote, and majority will prevail on that. It seems like we're leaning towards the people wanting to do the linebacker, D lineman, but the issues with the tight end and the quarterback that I was trying to make for more out of an equal playing ground for everybody might be some things that you guys aren't into. So once again, I'm at your guys' will as commissioner, so let me know.